Hey, what's up guys, this is Karthik and I am back with a new video, and in this video we are going to discuss about box model in CSS. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video and don't forget to subscribe Codal and Docs channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So anyways, let's start the video. So guys, here you can see the CSS box model is a container that contains multiple properties, includes border and margin, padding and the content itself. It is used to create the design and layout of a web page, and it can be used as a toolkit for customizing the layout of different elements. And web browser renders every element as a rectangular box according to CSS box model, and box model has multiple properties in CSS. Some of them are given below. So let's look out. And so you can see, first of all, content. So the property is used to display the text, image, etc. that can be sized using the width and height property. And then padding. This property is used to create space around the element inside an defined border. And now borders. And this property is used to cover the content and any padding, and also allowed to set the style, color and width of the border. And the margin, and this property is used to you can say space around the elements, either around the border area. And now here you can see content area. So this area consists of content like text, images or other media content. It is bounded by the content edge, and its dimensions are given by content box width and height. And here you can see padding area. So it includes the element padding. This area is actually the space around the content area, and within the box, border box, it is a dimension that are given by the width and height and of the padding box and the height of the padding box. And here you can see border area. It is used in the between area of the box padding and margin. Its dimension are given by the width, height and of the body, width and height of the body. And margin area, so this area consists of space between margin and border, and the dimension of the margin area are the margin box width and margin box height. It is useful to separate the element from its neighbor. And here you can see guys the syntax. So this is not such a big thing, it is just a small thing. And here you can see p tag. We have to first of all target the element, and then we have to add, you can say, width, height, margin and border, padding. We all have discussed about these you can say elements and things in CSS in the previous video. And here you can see the code. So let's figure out this. So first of all, we have to open a Visual Studio Code, and guys, inside Visual Studio Code we have to create a file. And let's say the file name gonna be let's say box model.html. Control is to save, not control is to save. Just press enter and wait for a while. And guys, here first of all we have to add the documentation. So first of all we have to type doc type HTML, then we have to type HTML, and after that we have to type head tag, not heading, head tag. And then we have to type title tag, and inside that let's say box model. And after the head tag we have to just type body tag, not comma, abbreviation, not abbreviation, this arrow. And then we have to just type in the browser, in the code you can see there's a style tag between head title and head tag. And here you can see in the body, I just mean body, you can see div with the class main, and div again with the class codolen, codel1 and codolen2. So first of all we have to create a div with the class main. So let's create it first. Div, let me zoom out this. Div with the class, and let's say the class will gonna be main. And here let's add h1 box model, and after that create a div again and name it as, in the browser you can see, Codulan. Name it as Codulan, and inside that create a div again, not dove, div, and name it as with the class Codulan1, and let's type Codulan, and again create a div, and let's say the class name will gonna be Codulan2, and here again Codulan docs, Control S to save. And here guys we have to just type style, and here we have to just type in the browser. You can see this is our CSS code, so let's copy this out, and here in the VS Code we have to just paste it. And let me explain the code first. So in the code you can see, first we have to target the main tag, and let's say font size 36, and font weight and text line center and font weight will gonna be bold, and we can also make this bolder, let's say bolder, Control S to save. And Codulan and colors, so let's change this to let's say uh, light blue, Control S to save. And here you can see also, let's change this to light, let's say light let's say light green, and let's Control S to save, and let's copy this, and in the browser just create a new tab, and we have to paste the URL. So wait for a while, and here we have to just paste the URL. And guys you can see I have just pasted the URL, and we have to just press enter, and again we have to wait for a while. And here you can see guys, this is our box model, and this is our project, you can see it as a small project, and this is our code. So guys, I hope you understand this box model, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more about CSS. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.